It even says, hello. Oh, it's nice and toasty in here. Nice and toasty in here. Feels so much warmer than outside. Ooh, it's cold out there. Nice little lounge. So we are here for the classic. Very nice. And then we even have down here coffee and tea. Very nice. A cup of tea would be really good. Let's see what we want. Lemon, green. Is that Earl Grey? Yep. What that one is? Just black English tea time. We'll do that in a minute. Having too much fun in the sweet shop. No, you're fine. I'm just.
Everything. You got all new stuff.
Oh, awesome. I'm just filming y'all to put on my travel vlog. Very nice. Going up. Oh. So I got some tea. English tea time. Isn't that funny? I must ask you for some more. Silly. I know. Here we go. Oy. A little bit of shake. Ooh, it got really cold down there. Okay. Here we go back down the hall then. To my room. So we can get everything all set up and get comfortable. The lunch was amazing. Okay, here we go. So here we are at the Hampton Inn Suites in Columbus, Ohio. So these are our room. Say my room. This is the bathroom. It's different having the orange and red squares on the back there. Towels. That's pretty. It's kind of a nice shower, isn't it? Oh, look, this is the first one I saw, the first hotel I saw that does it right. Look, the controls are here. And then the shower head's over there, so you won't get wet or anything scalded. You can try to turn it on first. That's nice. And then you can get in. That's the first one I've seen do that. How nice. Big full-length mirror. That's the door for your closet. It's nice. Table with two little stooly kind of benches. You have your TV. I tend not to put things in the drawers because I seem to forget it. But I think this is a rack for food. That's kind of weird. I've never seen that before. And see if this is a fridge over here. Oh yeah, it's a fridge. I'm here for 5 nights because I'm here for the Arnold Classic. Another little desk here with a round mirror. Your window, which we'll get to the view here in a second, but just a nice sitting room. I don't know if I like that wallpaper. I kind of like it. I don't know. It's different. And of course, a nice king-size bed. I did look too. I noticed that we do have a lot of outlets, a USB, There's one on either side. So that's really nice. I'm liking it. Anyway, I wanted to get to the view. This hotel is right across from the convention center. That's what that is right there. And let's see if I can zoom down. Down there, there's a statue. Do you guys see that? I believe that's the Arnold statue. So I'll be getting some film of that too. I'm so excited. As a founding lifetime member of the Pump app, which is Arnold Schwarzenegger's app, he gave us a free ticket to the Arnold Classic. It's like a big weekend-long Arnold Festival, and you see all the bodybuilding competitions. It looks like it's a huge convention kind of thing that, you know, people are having vendors there, probably selling a lot of health and fitness things. So that's going to be exciting. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because I'll definitely be filming that. But this is really nice, first sweep for the room. And of course we will have an update after we've spent a night and see how we like it. Like I said, it's always things you miss. You know, at first glance, oh yeah, it's really nice. And then later it's like, oh, that wasn't so good. But this is very nice. This hotel was gotten on points. So here we go, the controls. So we have heat is on, because it is kind of chilly here. Okay, that looks pretty straightforward, so I won't be messing with that anytime soon. Okay, cool. So we are about all set, so we will talk to you guys later. Okay, so things that you didn't notice at first that you noticed later. Okay, so take a look at this floor. It's textured. Oh, I really like that. This is actually a good thing, because then when it gets wet, you're not slipping and busting your butt on the floor. So that was a good thing. A bad thing is, how low is that toilet? Again, another low toilet. This isn't as bad as the other one, but still kind of low. The shower, I went ahead and used already, and it was pretty good, I have to say. The water still came out and still kind of got you wet though, even though the controls are on the other end. And it's probably because you need to move that shower head so it's pointing down, so that wouldn't happen. But yeah, and then the other bad thing is, oh my God, these walls are thin. I can hear people's conversations on the other side of the wall. And when someone used a shower, it was like they were in my room. It was so bad. So loud. So not liking that at all. So let's see what's for breakfast. They have nice coffee. Happy breakfast starts here on the house. They change their breakfast every day. They have a few things that you'll pop up and see more often than not. And they kind of rotate them out. Happy breakfast starts here. Oatmeal. They've got some scrambled eggs. They actually look like real eggs. They usually have some kind of potato or sausage, bacon sometimes they'll have. Had some Belgian waffles over there. They had some nice little scones here. I had the lemon poppy seed scones. That was really good. Some fresh fruit. Yeah, it's always the same fruit. Apples, oranges, bananas, some lemon water, and good old cereal. Different kinds of milk and yogurt as well. Rise and shine and be happy. They have a nice seating area. So you're not completely all out in the open. They kind of have like little alcoves tucked away here, there, here, there. So it's pretty good. This is Columbus. I've been here many times over the years. Some really awesome, fun, fantastic memories. A few bad ones, but this is going to be definitely an awesome, awesome time. I cannot wait. At least I don't have to go far for the convention center. That's where that is. It's just right across the street. That is so cool. Very, very neato. So if you're attending an event at the convention center, I would recommend staying here at this great hotel. This is by Hilton, the Hampton Inn Suites in Columbus, Ohio. Thanks guys for a great stay.